looks to get out of that's a golazo. That's a golazo. No, it's not from Alvin Dennis who chipped it up top. Absolutely sensational start. Brilliant
defending from Mohamed El Munir. They're off the line.
Ronaldo all the way out. Salazar rolling towards the goal. Clears it, but he hit that post hard, and now he's grabbing his shin.
Long run forward here for Bowden early in. Kevin Molino is onside. Kevin Molino, what a recovery! What a clearance in front. Ronald Mazzarita.
Morales through for Sebastian Fernandez. Sebastian Fernandez, can he get it over the line? No.
There's Bradford Jamieson now looking for Ibrahimovic. It'll come down in front. It's still loose and kept away from the goal line.
How does that not go in the back of the net?
Look at this ball. Donovan's got an empty net. Can he get it there? Donovan! Cleared by Reed.
What unbelievable drama.
Di Romando only fisting it half away. Oh, the shot was on its way in. And it's a heroic goal line clearance.
Think over the top. Guzan has to come there. Just get there. And it's hooked off the line. Parkhurst to the rescue for Atlanta. Rodriguez. Gonzalez the save. Ruiz Diaz the rebound. Cleared off the line. That was Hollingshead who kept Dallas alive.
And it's, well, is it cleared by Goldthwaite? That is a remarkable goal line clearance. Gooseberry and Sutton is up. And it's saved off the line.
The far post. Wires there. And it crossed the line. Trying to play it in back door. He's finding Alex Mule. Alex Mule saved off the line by Jefferson Mena. Top of the six. Gavin back across. Leonard deflected. Cleared off the line.
Merrim blocked by the wall. Loose. And oh, what a play by the defender in there. Looking to be driven. How about that?
Now it's Osorio! Scrambled away off the line.
Last ditch stuff from New England Revolution.
Cognac Garcia. Tons of bodies in the box. Slamming it in. It's on the end. It's clear. Oh, man. Watch out, Alex Gordon. Off the goal post. Solinger. The goal line clearance.
Doyle. Now the rebound.
Oh, my gosh, my heart.
Sending it in. De Rosario. Oh, De Rosario denied. How could that be? That's what he's saying. It's Nagel.